Division and characteristics of the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain. Introduction. The Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain, often referred to as the Indo-Gangetic Plain or the Northern Plains, is one of the world's most fertile and densely populated regions. Stretching across the northern and northeastern parts of the Indian subcontinent, this vast alluvial plain is formed by the confluence of several major river systems, including the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra. In this essay, we will explore the division and characteristics of the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain, highlighting its geological formation, climate, agriculture, and its significance in the context of South Asian civilization. Geological formation. The formation of the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain is primarily attributed to the geological processes of sedimentation and tectonic activity. This vast plain spans over 2.5 million square kilometers and is characterized by its flat, low-lying terrain. Its formation can be summarized in the following stages. Sediment deposition. Over millions of years, the rivers originating from the Himalayan mountain range, including the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra, have carried enormous quantities of sediment downstream. These sediments, composed of eroded rock particles, silt, and clay, were gradually deposited along the riverbanks and in the floodplains, building up the alluvial soil layers. Tectonic uplift. The Indian subcontinent is situated on the Indian Plate, which collided with the Eurasian Plate millions of years ago. This collision led to the uplift of the Tibetan Plateau and the Himalayan mountain range. As the mountains rose, they forced the rivers to cut deep valleys and altered their course, creating natural drainage patterns across the plain. River confluence. The confluence of major rivers, including the Indus, Ganges, and Brahmaputra, contributed to the formation of the plain. These rivers brought together their sediment-laden waters, resulting in the deposition of fertile alluvial soil. Division of the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain can be divided into several distinct regions based on geographical and topographical features. These divisions are essential for understanding the diversity and characteristics of this expansive region. Western Indo-Gangetic Plain. The western part of the plain is primarily formed by the Indus River and its tributaries. This region is characterized by arid to semi-arid conditions due to the limited rainfall and irrigation. Major cities in this region include Lahore, Islamabad, and Multan in Pakistan. Central Indo-Gangetic Plain. The central part is formed by the Ganges River and its tributaries. It is the most fertile and densely populated part of the plain. Cities like Delhi, Kanpur, and Lucknow are located in this region. Eastern Indo-Gangetic Plain. The eastern part is dominated by the Brahmaputra River and its tributaries. It experiences heavy rainfall and is prone to flooding during the monsoon season. Major cities in this region include Kolkata and Dhaka. Terai region. The southern foothills of the Himalayas, known as the Terai region, form a transitional zone between the mountains and the plain. This region is characterized by dense forests and is home to diverse wildlife. It is prone to flooding and is essential for groundwater recharge. Babar and Terai region. The Babar region lies at the base of the Himalayas and is marked by rocky, coarse soil. Adjacent to the Babar is the Terai, a narrow strip of fertile land before the start of the main plain. Characteristics of the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain. Now, let's delve into the key characteristics that define the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain. Fertile alluvial soil. The plain is renowned for its exceptionally fertile alluvial soil, which is ideal for agriculture. The sediment deposited by the rivers over millennia has enriched the soil with minerals and nutrients. Agricultural productivity. The region is often referred to as the granary of India, due to its high agricultural productivity. Major crops grown here include rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and various fruits and vegetables. Varied climate. The climate in the Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain varies from subtropical in the west to humid subtropical in the east. It experiences distinct seasons, with a hot and dry summer, a monsoon season with heavy rainfall, and a cooler winter. Water resources. The rivers and their tributaries provide a vital source of water for agriculture and human consumption. The Ganges and Brahmaputra river basins are especially important for the region's water resources. Urbanization and industrialization. Several major cities, including Delhi, Kolkata, and Dhaka, are located in the plain and have witnessed rapid urbanization and industrialization. This has led to increased demand for resources and infrastructure development. Environmental challenges. The plain faces various environmental challenges, including water pollution, soil degradation, and deforestation. Flooding during the monsoon season is a recurrent issue, leading to damage to crops and infrastructure. Significance in South Asian civilization. The Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain has played a pivotal role in the development of South Asian civilization. It has been a cradle of ancient and modern cultures, with several significant implications. Historical civilizations. The plain was home to some of the world's oldest civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization, which thrived along the banks of the Indus River. It has been a center for trade, culture, and religion for millennia. Agricultural revolution. The fertile soil and abundant water resources have supported agricultural practices for thousands of years, contributing to the sustenance of the region's population. Cultural diversity. The Indo-Gangetic Plain is home to diverse ethnic groups, languages, and religions, making it a cultural mosaic. It has been a melting pot of traditions, from Hinduism and Buddhism to Islam and Sikhism. Conclusion. The Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plain is a region of immense geographical, cultural, and historical significance. Its formation, division, and characteristics reflect the complex interplay of geological processes, climate patterns, and human civilization. As one of the world's most fertile agricultural regions, it continues to be a cornerstone of South Asian civilization, providing sustenance and livelihoods to millions of people. However, it also faces numerous challenges related to environmental degradation and urbanization, making sustainable development a pressing concern for the future of this crucial region. Thank you.